What's up, guys? My name is Keith O'Neal, or you can call me Coach O'Neal. I am the physical education teacher for Schlegel High School, located in Kansas City, Kansas. The district is USD 500. This is actually my first year in the district, and I actually enjoy it. Interesting about myself, I actually create football videos on YouTube. I have my own channel. It's actually growing at very rapidly. I am the football coach at Schlegel High School. I'm actually the offensive coordinator this past season, and I'm transitioning into the head coach this upcoming season. So I've been doing a lot of great things at the high school. Another fun thing about me, I love video games. I love everything about sports, high school sports, physical health, strength and conditioning. All those things I enjoy. And that's the passion I have for that, and the reason, that's part of the reason why I became a teacher. Far as the process of reflective teaching, or a reflective teacher process, I believe that being a reflective teacher, or a teacher who can reflect on their past experiences is needed, as it allows you to grow as an educator. Because one thing I do know and understand, or within my young career as an educator, that the teaching and education and the students alone, they evolve. Is still evolving as we speak. So, as an educator, it's always important to always be able to go back and reflect on your past things that probably worked and did not work with that group of students, hoping that it can help you lead into improving your skills as an educator and helping the new generation to come behind those students that you're teaching to this day. So that's my opinion on what reflective teaching process is. I'm happy to be a part of this class, and I'm happy to learn and work with you guys and grow with you guys as a group. Have a great day.